Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As the title states, I will be doing my PR package unboxing. So let's go ahead. I already ripped the little closure off. I was kind of mad because USPS has been on some mess lately. They stuffed this in my mailbox like really bad. I was scared because I knew this was in here and I was really hoping that it wasn't about to be compromised. But look at how beautiful this package looks. So, as you guys know, or if you're new here, I am a PR girl for Golden Plans Co. And I have been one of the PR girls since July. And I've been so happy to do it. So, let's go ahead and get started. And for those who watch me on a regular basis, this is going to take place of my plan with me for this week. I don't think that I'm going to not put a plan with me up at all, but this is going up on the day or around the time that my plan with me normally go up. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. So, oops. I wanted to start with this first thing here. This is my cover for my Happy Planner. As you guys know, I do have a Cardi B Erin Condren planner cover. And it's kind of around when she got real hyped from Bodak Yellow and all that stuff. But this is from the Finesse remix that she did with Bruno Mars. So Dominique really worked really fast and got this beautiful art out. So I was really happy with it. You can get these personalized. I opted for no personalization just because, I don't know. Everything I have is basically personalized. So I just chose not to do it this time. And then on the inside, you have like these whiteboard areas, which I love because you can use a wet erase marker, not dry erase because I'll smudge on your pages, but a wet erase marker to put some notes in here. Just, you know, you can do like a daily to-do list and things like that, but very high quality, very thick paper, and the lamination is really well, and they're punched really well as well. So this is, like I said, this is punched for the Happy Planner. So let's get into my order. This first thing here is the freebie that came out during the sale. This is when she reopened, and she does have a new website, so I will link that down below, just so there's no confusion. Right now, I think it's a toss-up if her Etsy shop is going to reopen as a digital shop only, but like I said, I'll put that information down there as it comes. So here are my die-cut babies. So, of course, since we're in the Cardi B mood, let's go ahead and start with the Cardi B die-cuts. They're so vibrant. I love them. Look at them. I love that you get two, especially because, you know, the planner community, we all know that we have multiple planners. So there's Cardi B. I love her. I'm probably going to laminate these. I have been really lazy lately and haven't been laminating anything because it takes a lot of work. So let's get these other girls out. And this is a new doll to Golden Plans Co. And I absolutely love her. So they're both with coffee. Do you see the trend? How beautiful. All right, so she just has a hot cup of coffee. And obviously she's blue eyes, light brown hair, pink lips, very cute and chic. And I always say this, but I love Dominique's, the cardstock that she chooses is really smooth. And the print quality on here is very vibrant and smooth as well. Sometimes you get items that are printed out and the print quality isn't 100% great. And here are these with the Frappuccinos, which I also love. So we have a flower headband, and she has those big, over-exaggerated pink glasses. She's very cute. I don't use die cuts too much for my Louis Vuitton planner, but I still wanted to get those because I don't know, I might jump back into one of my traveler's notebooks. So I got two kits. This one is called the Red Light Special, which I think is so cute because it's a Valentine's Day theme, which is wonderful. I love Valentine's Day. Me and my husband don't make it like a huge thing, especially because a month later on St. Patty's Day is our wedding anniversary now, but we do definitely go on a little date or whatever. So let's go ahead and go through the kit. As you can see here, we have some deco icons, quarter boxes, and some heart checklists with a weekly box and the weekend banner. I love that she changed this up down here. Gives you more function. And we have these chic full boxes. Look at those, strawberries and champagne. Then you have the couple kissing here. Or maybe he's whispering in her ear. Then this says classy and fabulous, forever together. And then we have these decorative elements. Very cute. We have our heart checklist, which I like the pattern in the back. It's like stars and hearts. Our stitched boxes here at the bottom. And this is on matte vinyl. I always choose matte vinyl. It's very forgiving. I love matte vinyl. I can't rave about it enough. We have our headers, our half boxes. I love those my husband can't eat strawberries. He's allergic, but I do. I will eat some strawberries and then kind of rinse my mouth out before I'm around him. And we have the glitter headers, our little things, and our asterisks. And we have date covers and washi strips with a habit tracker, or not the habit tracker, I'm sorry, weekly box with some roses at the top. So that is Red Light Special. And as usual, I will have, like I said, the links down for her website as well as my PR code. And then finally, the last item in my package, save the best for last, is this Finesse Kit. And this is Cardi 2.0 Finesse, because she does have a kit, or she does have Cardi items in the shop now, but like I said, that was back when she first got really popular, kind of towards the end of 2017. So we're just gonna go through these pages again. I'm so excited. It's so vibrant. Let me just show you guys how these peel up. Ooh, yes. And as you can see, I got my cover to match the art in this. So we have our deco, our Cardis. I will probably cut one of these out and save. Our icons, our quarter boxes, heart checklist. We have that extra full box there. Then we have a big Cardi, which, oh, I love. And we have the Finesse here. Oh my God, dripping in finesse. This is so nice. Good job, Dominique. This is so lovely. I love this so much. And then we have, ooh, a new addition. Those large flags in there. Is that a new addition? That might not be a new addition. I'm sorry, y'all. Sometimes I'm a little off. All right, and we have our heart checklist, which these are different. As you can see, these are ombre heart checklist, and then the other ones in the Red Light Special Kit were, they were just heart checklist boxes with the patterns around it. We also have the stitch quarter boxes. We have our headers and our half boxes, our glitter headers and our littles, as well as our asterisks. And then finally, we have our date strips and her bottom washi, which I love. Her black payoff is so vibrant. That's how you know that's good quality. And then the other weekly box that we have there. So I'll be using that probably soon because I won't be able to hold off. But those are all my items. Let me just show you guys everything I got once more. Got these cute little girls. These are she's so cute. My fave, Cardi. And then we have my beautiful cover. Oops, that kind of didn't go very well. So I hope you guys liked my PR unboxing this time around. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up right now. Leave some suggestions down below if you'd like to see some other things going on in the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we're off to a great start this year. I hope that you guys' year is going well. So I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.